Hi, welcome back to ATFX Trading. Let's take a look into weekly forecast on Euro USD for January 31st Monday to February 4th the Friday. Before we go ahead for the forthcoming week, let's take a look into our last week forecast report. From our last week blog report, we can see that we just mentioned 1.3800 or 1.3750, which seems to be a cluster of strong resistance. We mentioned that the price could touch this 1.3750 and retrace back, or break above this and go to the trend line which we drew from the weekly chart and touch that trend line and retrace back. For more information on this, you can take a look into our last week blog post. Now let's see what happened to the Euro USD pair. We are right now looking at D1 chart. The price have exactly touched around 1.3750 and start to retrace back. If you take a look into H1 chart, it was hard for the price to break above the strong resistance. This is the resistance that which we mentioned in our last week blog post. Now let's take a look into for the forthcoming week. In daily chart, if we draw a Fibonacci retracement from this high till this low, which is also from 4th November 2010 high to 10th January the 2011 low, which is 1.4281 high to 1.2873 low, the price have exactly retraced till 61.8, which is 1.3743. If you round it off to 1.3750, which is also November 2010 high. If we see the same Fibonacci retracement in H4, and if we draw a Fibonacci projection from this high till this low, and we can see 161.8 is exactly coinciding at 1.3730, and the market has gone till 1.3750, which is also again the 22nd November 2010 high. And this is the projection that we plotted last week in our blog. And now if we consider this to be the one complete full impulsive wave and draw a Fibonacci from this low till this high, which is around 883 pips, which is also from 10th January 2011 low to 27th 1 2011 high, which is the recent high at 1.3756 and the low at 1.2873. And there are three possible ways the price could fall as a corrective wave: till 38.2 at 1.3418, or it can break below this 38.2 and come till 50% at 1.3314, or break below this 50 and come till 61.8 retracement at 1.3215 and retrace back. And now if we take a other perspective view in the same H4 chart by drawing a upward trend line connecting this lower low to this higher low, the price have finally broken this upward trend line on Friday after the GDP news release. So the question is, what will happen for the forthcoming week? This is the trend line that which we drew last week from this higher high to the lower high in the weekly chart. For more information on this trend line, you can check our last week video. So for the forthcoming week, the price can break above the strong resistance 1.3750 and go up till this trend line and retrace back, or it can go down till 38.2 and bounce back, or it may break this 38.2 and come down till this 50 or 60 and bounce back. So the conclusion and the call for the week is go short Euro USD with a D1 confirmation on stochastics 1433 and 533 crossing below this 80 level. The worst scenario, if the price bounce back and break above this resistance, wait till the price go to this trend line and again go short with the confirmation of D1 stochastic 1433 and 533 crossing below this 80. And if we add a 55 days simple moving average to this chart, and we can see it is finding the support exactly coinciding with 50 retracement at 1.3309. So it is much expected that the price can fall till 50 and the stochastics 1433 and 533 crossing below 80. So that can be our target. Our first target can be at 38.2 at 1.3400, and our second target at 50 at 1.3309. So that's all about the technical view, and keep an eye on this market moving economic data for US such as personal income and outlays, ISM manufacturing index, jobless claim, and non-farm payroll releasing this forthcoming Friday. And from European side we have retail sale, unemployment change, producer price index, and we have most importantly that European Central Bank is resetting its interest rate to 1%. And that's all about the fundamental and technical view for EURUSD. Stay tuned for more videos and thanks for watching us.